Stop. Drop whatever you're doing. Do you think getting these credit cards is truly free money? Well, guess what? In this video, I'm spilling the beans on the secret tricks banks play. So-called perks are hiding some sneaky stuff that could drain your wallet every single month. Yep, you heard me right. Even those fancy Amex Platinum cards with all their luxury perks have some fine print that can burn a hole in your pocket. You're not alone if you're scratching your head wondering exactly what I'm talking about. Trust me, by the time I'm done, you'll never look at those credit cards the same way again. I'm here to be your secret weapon against financial traps. And today, we're diving deep into the hidden costs of those tempting credit cards. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss expert tips that can grow your wealth and secure your financial future. Let's talk about the obvious but often ignored first: annual fees. Think of an annual fee like a gym membership. You use it every day and maximize the perks, it pays off. But if you swipe a few times and ignore the rewards, you're basically paying for equipment you never touch. Cards like the Amex Platinum or Chase Sapphire Reserve give luxury perks. But if you're not using travel credits or lounges, that $550 fee is just burning cash. Now let's talk about a hidden gem: foreign transaction fees. Imagine you're traveling abroad and you see something like this. Swipe your card for a purchase and ta-da! Your bank takes an extra 3% off the top. Doesn't sound like much, but if you spend $3,000 overseas, that's an extra $90 for nothing. Banks love to sneak this cost into popular cards. So always ask if your card is travel-friendly. Options like the Capital One Venture X or Chase Sapphire Preferred usually don't have these fees. Next, the APR trap. Okay, here's the deal. Carrying a balance on a rewards card is like having a Ferrari but never putting gas in it. You've got the shiny perks, but without paying in full, the interest cancels out the rewards instantly. Many of your favorite cards have a PRS over 25%, which is higher than some payday loans. So if you're swiping for points but not paying in full, you're losing money big time. Okay, let's tackle another one: balance transfer fees and hidden terms. Ever seen a promo like this? 0% APR balance transfer for 12 months? Sounds amazing, right? Here's the catch. Most cards charge 3 to 5% upfront transfer fees. That means moving $5,000 costs you $150, $250 before you even start paying. It's like getting a free Uber ride but paying for the gas yourself. And here's the kicker. Not only are you transferring debt from one high interest rate card to another, but you're also taking on additional fees and expenses. So it's essential to read the fine print and understand all the costs involved before proceeding with any balance transfers. Otherwise, you could end up digging yourself deeper into a financial hole. Moving on to the next hidden cost: opportunity cost. Now this one's a real eye-opener. Let's say you have a credit card offering a huge sign-up bonus, like a free flight or a hefty cashback reward. It sounds like a dream come true, right? But let me ask you this. How many of you have fallen victim to this? You see the reward, get excited, and end up spending way more than you normally would, just to take advantage of the bonus. Yeah, I've been there too. According to research, the average cardholder ends up spending over $500 to meet the minimum spend requirement and actually get that so-called free flight or cashback. But here's the twist. By chasing these rewards, you're missing out on other valuable opportunities, hence the term opportunity cost. Instead of splurging on unnecessary purchases to meet minimum spends, why not save that money for a rainy day or invest it to earn interest? That way you're not only avoiding the hidden cost of overspending, but also building your wealth for the future. So do you let those flashy rewards trick you into making impulsive decisions that could impact your financial well-being? Look, I'm here to be your secret weapon against financial traps. And today, we're diving deep into the hidden costs of those tempting credit cards. Whether it's annual fees, foreign transaction charges, APR traps, balance transfer fees, or the illusion of rewards, the truth is your favorite credit cards have hidden costs everywhere. The good news? If you know the rules, you can flip the game and win. First things first, knowledge is power. Don't swipe blindly. Understand your card's perks, fees, and terms. It's like reading the instruction manual before building that furniture. You'd hate to put it together all wrong, right? Plus, it's common sense. Why pay for lounge access if you never travel, or pay for an elite status you do unuse? Some of those fancy cards may not be worth the price tag. Speaking of price tags, Did you know that the average American has a whopping 3.7 credit cards? Now that's a lot of potential headaches waiting to happen. My advice? Be picky, not promiscuous. Focus on cards that match your lifestyle and needs. A travel enthusiast who hates commitment, look for travel rewards cards. Love staying home and cozy? Cashback cards might be your jam. But wait, let's talk about that infamous credit score. Managing multiple cards isn't for the faint of heart. Each card counts as a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can ding your score a bit. It's like a small dent that stays on your report for a couple of years. Now, my advice, play it smart. Don't open more accounts than you can handle responsibly. Having too many cards could raise red flags for lenders, making it harder to snag new credit in the future. Remember, quality matters more than quantity. A good rule of thumb is to keep it simple. Focus on 1 or 2 cards that work best for you, and pay them off in full each month. It's like having a solid foundation for your credit journey, rather than spreading yourself too thin, trying to juggle multiple cards. Let's talk about spending. It's easy to get carried away when you know that swipe can earn you points or cash back. But here's the deal. These cards aren't free money. They're financial cheerleaders hyping up your spending. So here's my advice. Resist the temptation to go on a shopping spree. Just because you have a shiny new card, set a budget and stick to it. Just because you can earn points on that new pair of shoes doesn't mean you should buy them if you don't need them. Stay in control of your spending habits and treat those cards as a way to boost your savings, not fund impulse purchases. It's all about balance. Last but not least, I want to address a pet peeve of mine. Those pesky late payment fees. It's one thing to miss a payment, but it's another to pay a penalty for it. Some cards charge up to 38 late fees, which is just plain unfair. Here's my advice. Set reminders and stick to a payment schedule. Treat your bills like appointments you can't miss. If life gets in the way and you do miss a payment, contact your issuer ASAP. Explain your situation and ask for a waiver. Most issuers will cut you some slack if you've been a good customer, but you gotta ask. Don't just sit there fuming. Take action. You've got this. In conclusion, knowledge is power. Don't swipe blindly. Be picky, not promiscuous. Manage your credit wisely. Spend responsibly and conquer those late fees like a boss. Remember, credit cards aren't free money. They're financial tools. And when used wisely, they can help you build your wealth. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be well on your way to mastering money. If you found value today, smash that like button. Share this video with friends who need it, and comment below your biggest takeaway or question. I'm here to help you succeed.